We're crimping up close. We're using a 2x2mm crimp tube, beading wire and crimping pliers. Thread the tube onto the beading wire, forming a loop. Thread the end back through the tube, leaving a 2-inch tail. Some of this will be covered by beads later on. Make sure the wires are lying parallel to each other. Place the crimp tube into the kidney-shaped notch closest to the plier handle, making sure the tube doesn't extend beyond either side of the notch. Squeeze the plier handles until the jaw is fully closed. Remove the pliers and make sure the crimp is secure in this position. Turn the crimp so that the two channels are stacked and facing you, and place into the front oval notch. Squeeze the plier handles once again to compress the tube further. Now you have a perfectly formed and secure crimp.